Hi everyone, this is Joyce from my Stay at Home Adventures, and I want to show you guys my weekly meal plan for August 11th week. And I'm sure it's pretty late. I'm sorry that we've been busy, but as you can see, I have written down everything I need, and so far so good. I know it's Tuesday, so today we're gonna have mac and cheese and pork chops, and everything that I do here, I kind of go on Instagram and I show you guys what I'm making. The goal for this week again is to reduce the spending, and if you saw my previous video, which I'll link below, it shows you our budget, and a lot of you were surprised at the amount of money. But what I do is that my household, my personal care, and my grocery, it's in one. I don't have time to separate when I go shopping. I mean, I am a mom of especially kids, and I need to keep it simple when I go shopping. So this is for the week what I have. And if you want to download this template, I will leave the link below so you can download it. You can, if you have it's editable, you can edit and then print it out, which makes it easier for you. And then in a few days, I'll show you how much I spent and how my week went. Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know and email me. Have a good day.